Whether you are dispensing justice in a post-apocalyptic future or searching for a unique, economical, but dependable airsoft pistol, the Hater is for you. With its bottom and top rails, mounting your favorite dot sight and laser or flashlight is no problem. The Hater's rotary disc magazine system allows you to easily and quickly reload when seconds count. Each disc gives you 10 rounds of 6mm BBs, more than your average revolver. One 12-gram CO2 cartridge is enough to keep you shooting for over 100 shots. All this combined with its sleek, advanced look and feel will make you love it, and your enemies hate it. The Elite Force Hater.
The C11 Tactical Pistol from Crosman. It's a CO2-powered air pistol that shoots copperhead BBs. The air pistol combines handheld comfort with quality components at an affordable price. A quad rail system for mounting your favorite optic. A removable grip for easy CO2 replacement. A 20-shot quick-release magazine. The pistol also includes a Mach compensator and a Crosman laser.
The Glock 18C has become legendary as a fully automatic pistol that everyone wants. The selector switch allows the user to choose between semi-automatic and full automatic firing modes. The 18C model has a modified slide and barrel with compensation slots that reduce muzzle flip and allow the shooter more control over the pistol, at least for the firearm. This is the officially licensed gas blowback airsoft version. It fires 6mm airsoft BBs at such a rapid rate that you will appreciate the standard extended magazine. We can all dream of owning and shooting the real deal fully automatic machine pistol. But in the meantime, go ahead and get your very own Glock 18C full auto airsoft pistol from your favorite sporting goods retailer today.
This is the HK USP chambered for .177 caliber steel BBs and powered by a 12-gram CO2 capsule. A replica in every sense, this USP model incorporates a blowback system, a complex valve that allows the flow of air to propel the BB at 325 feet per second while simultaneously causing the all-metal slide to kick back, a feature that any action pistol shooter will appreciate. The authenticity of the HK USP air pistol evolves around every aspect of this spectacular replica. From the texturing of the tough polymer frame to the functioning controls of the slide release, the safety, the magazine release, and the decocking mechanism to its fast target acquisition 3-dot sights. Its magazine replicates the size and weight of a loaded mag and drops completely free of the grip, making this an ideal pistol for reloading drills. Get a grip on a full-size semi-auto action. Ask and search for the HK USP blowback air pistol at your favorite retailer.